Do you know the difference between VDB and volumes? Even though both are often used interchangeably, they are quite different. A volume is basically a space made of tiny cubes called voxels. The more voxels you have, the more detailed the simulation becomes. But it also uses more system resources. There are two main types of values a voxel can store. The first is a scalar value, representing things like density. Higher the value, thicker or denser the results. Second are vector values, which can show things like color or axis of movement. Now, what about VDB? It's just a smart format for volumes. Instead of storing every voxel, it only keeps the ones that actually have data. This makes files smaller and playback faster. One VDB file can store many things at the same time, like density, temperature information, and much more. In short, volume is your data, and VDB is a lighter format for faster playback without a significant performance hit.